Hello students, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to solve another 3D CAD model. Okay, so we have given isometric view. So we have to draw the CAD model. Also we have to apply the specific material like steel, the component and record the surface area. Also we have to explore 3D CAD model to create drawing view, at least two views with all dimensions. So you can, this is the diagram. This is 44 mm, this height is 12 plus 4. So let's start it. So sketch on this right plane, view normal to sketch plane. So let's make the rectangle here. So this is the rectangle, another rectangle is to this side. So here I'm going to draw line line like this shape is there. So trim the unwanted portion, will be easy for us to give the dimensioning. Now give the dimensions. So this edge is 44, this edge is 12 plus 4 16, this edge is 17, from this to this distance is 6, from this to this distance is 10, then from this to this distance is 42, from this to this distance is 10, this distance is 20. Now done. Now we are completed this. So extrude. So this rectangle we have to extrude, say symmetry, and this is nothing but the 26. So this is 26. Okay, now again we are going to extrude. So this sketch is invisible, so make it visible. So this portion, so it is 35 and it is symmetric. Done. Now next is that sketch, create sketch on this plane. We have to make this slot. You can see this slot is here also. This slot is radius is 9 and it is 25 mm apart from this, and depth is 12. So circle this, then we draw one rectangle. Now give the dimension. So this is 18 diameter, and this is apart from this, it is 25, and say this edge is concentric with this. Next is tangent. This edge is tangent to this. This edge is tangent to this. Trim the unwanted portion. So this is not required. This is not required. This is not required. Done. Then extrude this. Remove up to 12 mm. We have to remove. Done. Next is that. So here fillet is there. Fillet to this edge. So fillet is of say 8. So 8 mm. Okay. Next is that we have to, oh, this section is there. So this is 34 mm from this side, and this is distance is 26. So 26 divided by 2, 13 plus 34, that is 47. So 47 into 2, that will be the 94. So let's make the 17 by 64 rectangle of 94. Sketch on this right plane, to normal to sketch plane, rectangle from this corner up to this. So give the dimensions. So this distance is say 16. Okay, and this distance is sorry. So give the dimensions 17. Okay, done. Next, so extrude. Select this sketch. '94. Make it symmetric. Okay. Next, isometric view. So here we have to provide a chamfer to this. So chamfer. So one distance is, you can select 15. Another distance is 16 minus 9. That means it is 7. So 15 and 7. 15. So this is 7 and this is 15. Similarly this. Done. Next is make a sketch on this plane. View normal to sketch plane. Circle. So here circle of diameter 8, 16. Its radius is 8. What is the radius is 8? So diameter is 16. Okay, done. Extrude. Okay, select this circle in opposite direction. It is 10 mm extrude. Make the direction change. Okay, then apply the draft. Select the neutral plane this. Select the extrude surface this. And if you see, so if we have to draw this draft, so let's calculate the angle. So inner radius is 8, outer is 13. 13 to 5 and this 10. So with the help of tan theta 5 by 19 we can find out this. What is the theta? 26.57. so same apply with 26.57 here, and so this is completed. Now you can see it is showing the two parts, so I will merge these two parts. Boolean operations. Okay, union. You can hide this, hide this. After that you can check the surface area also, measure. So you can see it is showing the surface area. Okay, next we can apply the material to this. Assign material. From this you can apply 400 stainless steel, any material. Okay, now one last step is remaining, so let's make the sketch on this plane. Open to sketch plane. So there is a hole of diameter 20 and it is 12.5 mm apart from this. So circle diameter, dimensions. So diameter is 20 and from this to this distance is 12.5 and done. And this hole, say the reverse direction, solid and the remove. Done. Okay, So now this object is completed. Now let's see the isometric view. Now next is, if you want to measure the surface area, select surface area, select entities. So this is the entity. So this is the surface area. Next we can apply this material to this. Apply. Next is, okay. So we have apply. Now next is create 3D drawing. Give the dimension to this. I think all the dimensions are completed. So okay. So thank you.